Hello and welcome to Sidewalk Scavenger Part 3. Today's episode has mood lighting. Ooh, mood lighting. Guys, I also got some random mysterious computer parts. They were all found together. First is some sort of graphics driver. This one has a very fancy heatsink that's also the logo. It's out of date. Next I have some sort of optical driver. No idea. Next is an internet, a real old internet connection, landline, phone connection, and it's the card that you would plug into your PC. Next is a bag of mystery. And it's got some RAM. They're probably like 4 gigabytes of RAM each, maybe 2. And whatever this is, it's a wireless adapter for something mysterious. What's a keyboard? Next, I found another keyboard. You know what? We have another keyboard. Next, wireless dongle. Next, we found a power board. It's broken, no wire. Next, we found a mystery bag. What's in the mystery bag? Ta-da! Remote. Another tiny remote, and a Thomason USB TV other cord thing. I think it's a connector for sound, maybe. And a bunch of wires. Wires! Next, yet again, I find a Nerf gun. This time. Now this one works perfectly fine. It pulls back. It fires. The light sometimes works, if you can see that. Yeah, it's vaguely lighting up. And it's like got a bunch of water damage and it's kind of sunburnt. Some of the plastic's peeling in there, but it works. I can modify it like my other blaster. This one's pink salad because it's modded and pink and kind of chrome looking. It's quite nice. Put those up there. You can't be Australian without a cricket set. This is a cricket bat. This is a cricket bat. And 4 stumps, that's all that's in there. I can probably resell this. The rubber's peeling, but I haven't opened it yet because I'm going to resell it. And that's it. Tell me what you find on the side of the road. Join me next time on my adventures.